Assalamu alaikum class 6. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So class, today is 28th of April 2021 and the day is Wednesday. Fine. In yesterday we have learned about cube root. Okay? What is cube root, class? Who will tell me? Yes, Sarim, you tell me what is cube root? Very good. This is the representation of cube root. Fine. And for cube root we have to find. We want perfect cube of the given number. Fine. We want perfect cube. क्या चाहिए होता है हम लोगों को? परफेक्ट क्यूब. क्लियर है ये सबको? ओके. If I have a number which is eight, okay, I have cube root 8. So what would I do? What would I do in the first step? मेरा फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या होगा क्लास? Okay, so in very first step we will write, we want to find perfect cube of this number. So as you know class, 2 multiply 2 which is equal to 4. हमने क्या लेना है? सेम नंबर. ओके, और उसका परफेक्ट क्यूब जो है वो फाइंड आउट करना है. सो 2 into 2 4 and 4 into 2 is 8. Okay, so it's mean 2 cube equals to 8. Can we write 2 cube in this form? Very good, because 2 is same and power is repeating. How many times class? Power is repeating of 2. Very good, 3 times. So we can write 2 into 2 into 2 is 2 power 3. So 2 power 3 equals to 8. So we can write 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. Fine. In next step, cube root as it is, and 2 is repeating 3 times, so we will write 3 as a power. But as you look, the base is same, so we will write 2 as it is. Now this 3 will be cut by this cube root, and in the end we have 2. And in the end we have 2. So what is the cube root of 8 class? We can simply say 2 is the cube root of 8. Fine? The cube root of 8 is 2. This is how we can solve cube root. Now, I am moving towards question number 7 from exercise number 2C, in which statement is find the value of each of the following numbers. In which we can solve combined operations on numbers. Okay? In primary school we have learned 4 basic operations on number. What are they? Who will tell me? What are the basic operations that we have discussed in previous classes? Very good. Plus, minus, multiplication and division. Fine? Plus, minus, multiplication and division. These are the operations that we that we discussed in primary level. Okay, in previous lesson we have learned square root, cube root. Now in this lesson we will learn how to perform all these operations together. Fine. जैसे हमने डिमेस का रूल किया था, बोर्ड मैस का रूल किया था, इसी तरह हम ऑर्डर ऑफ ऑपरेशंस को देखेंगे, हाउ वी कैन फॉलो ऑर्डर्स ऑफ ऑपरेशंस. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल rule number 1. Fine. Rule number 1. Okay, so rule number 1, which is related to order of operation, is evaluate the expression in the bracket first. Okay, जो भी हमारे पास terms involve होंगी numerically in bracket, we will solve first. If I have 6 plus 3 multiplied by 2, this is my expression. Okay, so very first, according to order of operation, I will solve this bracket. So rule number 1 is evaluate the expression in the bracket first. फाइन. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, ब्रैकेट्स को सॉल्व करेंगे. ओके, इन नेक्स्ट रूल, विच इज रूल नंबर 2, evaluate powers. Okay, if I have power 2 which is inside the bracket like this, so in second step पहले मैं इस ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व करूंगी, फिर जो पावर होगी मेरे पास उसको मैं evaluate करूंगी. Fine. Evaluate powers and roots. If I have roots inside the bracket, so I will also evaluate roots. Rule number 3. Okay, rule number 3 is multiplication and division. Multiply and divide from the left to the right. Rule number 3 is multiplication and division. और उसको हम किस वे में करते हैं, उसका ऑर्डर क्या होता है, from the left to the right. From the left to the right. Fine class. Okay, now in rule number 4, we will solve addition and subtraction. Okay, we will solve addition and subtraction from left to the right. हम कहां से कहां सॉल्व करेंगे, एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन को लेफ्ट से राइट तक, फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू द राइट. Fine. Okay, now I am going to take an example. I have 6 minus 7. 6 minus 7 plus 2 multiplied by 4 minus 3 square. Okay. Now according to order of operation, rule number 1, which is evaluate the expression in the bracket first. अब जो ब्रैकेट में हमारे पास मल्टीप्लाई साइन एज इट इज, 4 एज इट इज। अब हमने इसको जो सॉल्व करने, तो उसमें अगर देखो आप इस ब्रैकेट में हमारे पास क्या है, पावर। सो फर्स्ट वी विल सॉल्व पावर, evaluate पावर सेकंड रूल के अकॉर्डिंग। सो माइनस एज इट इज, और हमें पता है 3 स्क्वायर्ड इक्वल्स टू 9, 3 स्क्वायर्ड इक्वल्स टू 9। फाइन, 3 squared equals to 9. Now 6 minus 7 as it is, plus 2 as it is, multiplication sign as it is. Okay. Now according to rule number 1 we will solve this bracket first. So which is 4 minus 9. What is the sign? What is the sign with 4 class? 4 के साथ कौन सा साइन है? Yes, Aman, you tell me what is the sign with 4? Very good. We have a positive sign. Positive sign. Positive क्यों है? Because as I told you, if there is no sign in any expression, so it simply indicates as there is positive sign. So plus 4 minus 9 equal to 5. Isn't class? 9 में से हमने 4 को सब्ट्रैक्ट, हमने क्या पढ़ा था? If we have two unlike signs, so अगर unlike होगा, so in the end we have negative. ठीक है? अब यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? नेगेटिव। हम नंबर्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट भी करेंगे, और जो नेगेटिव है वो हम किसकी बेस पे असाइन करते हैं? ग्रेटर वैल्यू के ऊपर। किस पे असाइन करते हैं? ग्रेटर वैल्यू पे। तो 4 minus 9. In this, what is the greater value in this class? 9. So with 9, what is the sign with? Minus. So in the end, we will write minus 5. Fine? Okay. In next step, we have 6 minus 7. Okay. अब यहाँ तक solve हो गया. Next देखो, multiplication and division. अगर तो क्वेश्चन में आपके पास अब ये एक टर्म आ गई, हमने ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व कर लिया। इफ स्टिल वी हैव एनी ब्रैकेट, देन वी विल फाइंड सॉल्व फर्स्ट। अब देखो यहाँ पर क्या है, हमारे पास मल्टीप्लिकेशन इन्वॉल्व हो रही है। ठीक है, तो हमने मैथ्स रूल के अकॉर्डिंग पहले क्या करना है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन को सॉल्व करना है। देन इफ देयर इज यूज ऑफ एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन इन एनी क्वेश्चन, देन वी विल moving forward to this. 6 minus 7 as it is. Okay. In rough work we can write minus 2 multiply minus 5. अब इसको सॉल्व करना है ना, क्योंकि हमने मल्टीप्लिकेशन को सॉल्व करना है। So as I told you class, if we have two with 2 we have positive. If we have two unlike signs in multiplication, हमने रूल पढ़ा था, when we have positive number which is at first place and negative number which is at second place, so in the end we have negative sign. Fine, according to sign table we have discussed plus minus minus, and numbers को हम क्या कर देंगे, simply multiply which is equals to 10. So plus answer is minus 10. Fine, आंसर इज minus 10. अब देखो हम या तो फर्स्ट इसको सॉल्व कर लें या इसको सॉल्व कर लें। हम इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं, which is 6 minus 7 which is equal to 1. 6 में से 7 को सब्ट्रैक्ट किया हमने तो 1, but we have minus 1. Why? With 7 we have discussed this when we have learned subtraction involving negative numbers. जब हमने ये पढ़ा था subtraction involving negative numbers, तो हमने ये डिस्कस किया था कि we just if we have two unlike signs, we just subtract the numbers. Okay, हम क्या करते हैं, simply numbers को subtract करते हैं, और एंड पे हम असाइन जो है वो साइन किसके ऊपर बेस करके देंगे, ग्रेटर वैल्यू पर। ठीक है, सो विद 7 With 7, what is the sign? Minus. With 7, what is the sign, class? Minus. Fine? Okay. -10 as it is. Okay. अब देखो two signs are like. दोनों signs क्या है? Like है. So as we discussed, when two like signs are involved, we have positive in the end. ऐसे ही पढ़ा था हम लोगों ने. हम क्या करते हैं? नंबर्स को ऐड करते हैं, बट हम साइन जो है असाइन किसकी बेस पे करेंगे? ग्रेटर वैल्यू के ऊपर. ठीक है. So -1 and -10 which is equals to 11. Which is equals to 11. Minus 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 plus. Two like signs, it becomes plus. Plus होगा ये which is 11 and minus minus plus तो हो गया वो, but we will assign the sign on the basis of greater number which is minus. Fine, class? Have you cleared this? Okay, now I am moving towards question number 7 which is related to exercise number 2C. Page number is 43 and the question is 7. Statement is find the value of each of the following. Find the value of each of the following. Fine. A part I have -55 plus -10 -10. Okay, I have -55 plus -10 which is inside the bracket and then -10. So according to order of operations, what would I do first, class? सबसे पहले मैं क्या करूंगी? As I told you, think up. Yes, Amna, you tell me. Very good. We will solve first bracket. We will solve first bracket. This -55 as it is. Okay. अब इस पोर्शन को हम सबसे पहले सॉल्व करेंगे. So as I told you, if we have, यहाँ पे अब क्या इन्वॉल्व हो रहा है? कौन सा रूल यूज हो रहा है? मल्टीप्लीकेशन इन्वॉल्विंग नेगेटिव नंबर्स. ठीक है. So plus minus according to sign table we have negative. We have negative. So I will write -10. Okay, and this -10 as it is. Now in next step I will solve this portion first. If you look, we have two like signs. ये भी नेगेटिव में है, ये भी इसमें है नेगेटिव में. So we will add as we have discussed this rule. If we have two like signs, so it simply add the numbers. Simply add the numbers. So क्या होगा? माइनस माइनस प्लस, नंबर्स क्या होंगे? ऐड हो जाएंगे और साइन किसके ऊपर असाइन करेंगे हम? ग्रेटर वैल्यू पर. So -55 and -10 equals to 65. Fine, but sign is negative. और वो नेगेटिव क्यों होगा? Because greater value in this is 55 साइन को ग्रेटर वैल्यू पर. So what is the sign with 55? Minus. So we will assign minus sign with 65. Fine. Now this minus 10 we will write as it is. In next step, what is the next step class? Next step क्या होगा? Minus 65 minus 10. 65 में से if you look, we have again two like signs. This is in negative and this is also in negative. So what is the rule? क्या रूल मैंने बताया था आपको? माइनस माइनस प्लस. when we have two like signs, so we just simply add the numbers, which is 75. क्या होगा हमारे पास? 75. बट हम साइन किसको देके साइन करेंगे? ग्रेटर वैल्यू को. सो व्हाट इज द ग्रेटर वैल्यू इन दिस क्लास? 65. So with 65, what is the sign? Minus. So minus 75 is the answer. Fine. Minus 75 is the answer. This is how we can solve order of operations. When we have number of operations in an expression. So this is how we can solve this. Fine. If you find any difficulty related to this, you can ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.